You wake up and get ready, you go through the motions, you go to work, and the cycle repeats. But through the routine, there are small decisions you can make to subtly shift things. One path drifts and the other one compounds. So, what are you really achieving with your time? Let's connect on the small things you can do every day to best position yourself for a better future. Time and money are deeply connected. You trade time to earn money, but money used well can buy back time. As you gain more financial freedom, you can turn money into options instead of obligations. Most people stay in a loop: earn, spend, repeat. No space created, no leverage built. Time keeps moving, but nothing changes. That's not a money problem, it's a system problem. Saving creates breathing room, investing creates growth. Even small amounts consistently applied begin to build something bigger than your effort alone. That's where time finally starts working for you. Compounding is quiet at first, then it accelerates. What feels insignificant early becomes powerful later. The key isn't timing the market, it's time in the system. Money isn't the goal, options are. Flexibility, control, the ability to choose how your time is spent. That's what disciplined financial habits are quietly building in the background. Without a goal, money drifts. With a goal, it aligns. Whether it's freedom, security, or opportunity, clarity turns saving and investing into something purposeful, not just restrictive. Time will pass either way. The question is whether it leaves you with more stress or more options. The difference comes from what you do consistently starting now. You can start small and staying consistent, build towards something that matters. If this helped you to think differently, stick around for more simple breakdowns to help you use money as a tool.